Hello everyone. With you Guru.Markets. Let's start with the corporation's summary data. A little further, we will consider each parameter in more detail. If required, it is possible to place a stop. We suggest taking a closer look at each corporation indicator. Now let's analyze the company's current performance indicators. Columbia Financial, Inc., ticker CLBK. This review is based on data as of June 19, 2025. According to classification Guru.Markets, company Columbia Financial belongs to the subcategory. Regional banks, 139 organizations take part in the assessment, which is very representative. See the decisions made towards the end of the video. The overall result for the company in question is -7 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 2.7 points. Looking broadly, within the US stock market as a whole, it can be seen that the average result for the stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 7 points for the company Columbia Financial. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price Columbia Financial, Inc. and subcategory companies, we can see that over 12 months the company's shares Columbia Financial, Inc. showed a change of -0.9%. Against price changes in the subcategory, 19.7%. Market capitalization of the organization Columbia Financial amounts to $1.45 billion. With a market capitalization of $604 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.09 billion. With a book capitalization of $546 billion, the subcategory is worth $1.5 billion. Having compared the shares of stock exchange and balance sheet capitalization, we see the following. Occupied share Columbia Financial in the subcategory when assessing the stock market value is 0.24%. Book value capitalization is 0.2%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and book value in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The organization under study has debt obligations of $1.111 billion. Debt to book capitalization ratio is 102% of capital. Company debt rating, bad, -1 point. The ratio of the company's stock price to its earnings is 0. Average for the subcategory is 13.2. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to its profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very bad, -2 points. Profits for the last 12 months were -$2 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are expected to be $59 million. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's price to revenue ratio is 3.2. Average in the subcategory is 2.1. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to revenue indicators in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Tolet, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $460 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Assessment of the expected future sales volume indicator in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, -1 point. The sales margin is -0.3%, with an average of 15.7% in the subcategory. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Tolet, -0.5 points. The company's share in terms of the number of personnel in the subcategory is 0.173%. This is 39% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is $1,922,000. And in the subcategory, there are $1,388,000. Evaluation of the company's market capital per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee of the company is negative $2,100. The average in the subcategory is $104,900. Evaluation of profit per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talit, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue share per individual employee is $603,000. In the subcategory, $670,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talit, minus 0.5 points. The number of shares shorted is 6.6%, compared to the average for the subcategory of 3.3%. Indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 40% for the company Columbia Financial Incorporated. In the subcategory, this level is approximately 49%. The company's current stock price is approximately $13.84. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $17.01. Let's look at the order table. It is available. A link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions made this season by the evaluation information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the assessment, Columbia Financial Incorporated. Information and reference system of System.GURU.Markets, a decision has been made. Open a sell trade at $13.83. The order was opened due to the fact that the company has a rather low valuation. The company's assessment is based on the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 11.16. Stop loss is set at 16.5. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is closed automatically at the end of the trading session on July 19, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, CATY, will be the main buy order. The video of the main deal has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the base or the balancing one, the second order is closed at the actual price. Thank you all so much for watching this video and for using the help system from Guru Markets.